Struggling with low energy or stubborn fat? Mitolyn might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome back. I'm all about feeling my best, and lately people keep asking me how I've got this glow and energy. Let's dive into Mitolyn and see if it's the real deal. So I'll be honest, I was dragging through my days feeling sluggish and that extra weight just wouldn't budge. A buddy told me about Mitolyn, saying it gave her a boost without the jitters. I thought, yeah, right, but I tried it anyway. After just a few days, I felt lighter, sharper, like I'd unlocked a hidden energy reserve. Even my jeans fit better. Here's why Mitolyn stands out. It's packed with natural ingredients that rev up your metabolism and torch fat. No crash, no nonsense. Think probiotics to balance your system, antioxidants to fight damage, and compounds that keep you energized all day. It's not some quick fix. It's like giving your body the tools to thrive. For me, it's been steady energy, less bloat, and a confidence boost I didn't expect. Look, I'm no scientist, but Mitolyn's been a win for me. Want to see if it works for you? Check out the official site links below. It's affordable, there's real feedback to read, and they even offer a money-back guarantee. Drop a comment if you're tempted to try it. Thanks for hanging out, you awesome people. Smash that like if you're ready to feel unstoppable, and I'll see you next time. Bye.